The recent confrontation between the Delhi government and a small group of peaceful citizens near India Gate, who had assembled to express concern over the city's hazardous air quality, highlights a troubling trend. Governments increasingly treat public anxiety about pollution as a law and order problem rather than a governance challenge. With Delhi's air quality index touching nearly 400, public outrage is unsurprising. Yet the deployment of heavy police presence and rapid action force units raises a fundamental question: is the real threat public disorder or political embarrassment? Air pollution in North India is routinely portrayed as a Delhi-centric issue, but monitoring data shows a continuous belt of toxic air stretching from Islamabad to Bihar. This makes air pollution a regional airshed problem, not a city-specific crisis. The political significance of the India Gate protests lies in the shift within the urban middle class. Instead of resorting to private solutions such as air purifiers, sealed homes, or weekend getaways, citizens are now stepping into the public sphere to demand accountability. The state's reaction, however, indicates discomfort with civic mobilization and a preference for suppression over dialogue. India's air pollution is not a seasonal emergency but a persistent national crisis. Long-term assessments like the Air Quality Life Index show that unsafe air is now the norm across most of India. The problem is worsened by fragmented governance, where authority is dispersed among central ministries, state departments, municipal bodies and regulators, leading to weak coordination and diluted responsibility. The Commission for Air Quality Management (CAQM) was established to address this fragmentation, but its interventions have yet to match the scale or urgency required. What is needed is a robust framework where CAQM mandates time-bound sector-wise action plans, enforces compliance through continuous monitoring, and ensures transparent public data access. Governments must also abandon superficial technical fixes that consume resources without addressing core emissions from power plants, industry, transport, construction, and agriculture. Instead, India requires stricter norms, real enforcement, retirement of outdated polluting units, support for cleaner technologies, and viable alternatives to crop burning. These changes demand political courage and sustained commitment rather than heavy-handed responses to public concern. Only long-term structural reforms backed by informed citizen engagement can break the cycle of recurring winter smog.